guys, on a hike right now with Katie. Can you see you?
Hi guys. I'm not in the video.
Oh, you're not? Here.
You were like,
Oh.
Hi.
Evie.
Hi.
Okay, and I'm sweating because it is hot. Yeah, apparently we've already walked a mile already. And I'm looking down because I don't want to fall. But I will update you guys when we're at the waterfall. Put it as the background music.
I love Birds don't just fly, they get up. Wait, no, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. Yep. Oh. Try everything!
Guys, it's hot.
Guys, I'm sweating.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna make sure this is right. Yep. It's good, guys.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm eating that.
I'll try. Oh,
Katie sang us a beautiful song, but she said she's not gonna let me put it in the video.
Try everything.
But I will put it in the video because everyone should hear it.
Try everything.
Yes. Hi guys, I'm behind the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear me, but Katie's over there in the water, like she always is. And Evie's right here. But it's so nice. It was cold, not gonna lie, getting in here, but it's nice now. Guys,
For dogs?
yes.
Do a little spin. Yes. There we go. Oh yeah.
None of it funny.
Hi guys, so I forgot to end the video off. Yeah, the hike was really fun, and I think it took us like 4 hours total. It was like 4.4 something miles, and we it took 4 hours because we took an hour at the waterfall, and we were just like relaxing there and just swimming in the water. Yeah, it was really fun, and I know this vlog was really short, but I just really wanted to document this and, you know, just for memories. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.